Hi, this is Mark for MexicanSpanish.com. When you're new in a place, one of the things you need to be able to do is ask directions to know how to get somewhere. And you also need to be able to understand the directions that you hear back. Let's start with an interesting construction. If someone tells you in English to go up the stairs and turn right, in Spanish, you're probably not going to hear the imperative form. You're probably going to hear the participle, subiendo las escaleras, and this means go upstairs. Cruzando el parque, this means cross the park, or once you've finished crossing the park, and then you'll get the next steps in the directions. A dos calles, this means 2 blocks from here. So Mexicans often count blocks using the word calle, streets. Now, cuadra is a real word, and you will hear that sometimes, but you'll often hear that something is a dos calles, and this means it's 2 blocks from here. The preposition sobre corresponds roughly to on, like on a street in American English. So if someone tells you that the hotel is sobre Reforma, that means it's on Reforma, even though the usual translation for that preposition is over. And finally, the word altura, which usually means height, in the context of giving directions, is more like a cross street. So for example, if someone says the hotel is on Reforma, you might ask, ¿a qué altura? Which means, what's the intersection? What's the cross street? What's the nearest cross street or the nearest landmark?